Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 15. So here it is. Let's read the story. Chang Yuner, right now, she's having a dinner. Well, probably, she want to give her a chance just to get the recordings that she already want. This story is very suitable for my taste. I hope Miss Shang Yu will also like it. It is really good. It seems that the dinner is getting well. For Yang Yuner, can you give me a recording of that song right now? Well, she was really excited. That's why she gave her a chance to have a dinner with her. Will you do this looks too close to profit? The girl said to her. Of course, Yang Yuner. Right now, she told her, "She's a wise man who doesn't speak secretly." Well, definitely she is. She's been a tricky person also. Turns out right now she rejected Miss O. It's not important to be unable to eat together. Well, she really sent her a message. What will Miss O's gonna do if she knows it? The two of them are having a dinner. Instead of choosing her, don't worry, I'll give it to you after eating. Now, Young Yuner, she seems to be happy. Line. After a few minutes, Miss O is coming. Now, she really come closer. Look at her. She seems to be furious. Wang Yuner actually chose another woman to have dinner together. Eating with others, this is important thing, you said. Oh, you listen to my sophistry. No, listen to my explanation. But Miss O said to her, follow me. Right now, she want to get back. But the girl said, and so on. After a few minutes, finally, Miss O, she already calmed down. But the girl said, Miss O, the dinner with Miss Wang and I is not over yet. Oh, is she going to fight her? Well, let's see. You should know my relationship with Wang Yuner. Are you saying that you are lovers in the entertainment industry? There is no official announcement. It is a rumor. What do you think? Miss O, I will deal with this matter. Wang Yuner said to Miss O. Well, she's trying to calm her down, but for a minute, the two of them were talking. Probably she was explaining something to her. Probably she also want a recording from her. But for now, the girls said, accept with Wang's proposal. The girls said goodbye. At least right now, the girl will leave them alone. Finally, it was Miss Wang. Miss O left alone. It's really difficult to invite the Buddha to send the Buddha. Well, definitely she's getting tricky. Also right now, are you full? When you are full, you are full. Wang Yuner said to her. Well, right now it seems to be a lot of discussions need to go. Miss O said to her, let's go home with me. Now, she's been going out. Get back home. Oh, she seems to be serious. Also, right now she came back to Ochen's villa, and now she want to question her. Miss O. Well, she was sitting in front of her. Are you jealous? She was asking Miss O. Look at Wang Yuner. She looks really serious also. But of course, right now, Miss O said to her, we are not a real lovers, what I'm just jealous of. Miss O Chancy said to her, well, definitely, this is really serious matters. If not jealous, why Miss O is angry? I don't like people who don't have the spirit of contract. Now she's trying to breach it. The moment she signed the contract has come into effect. In the eyes of the public, we are now couples. Miss Ochensi said to her. Now, Ochensi, she want to pinch her face. Well, probably she want to remind her. And now, you're so close to the other woman. Oh, maybe right now. Since she looks really angry, she got really jealous, right? And she don't want to admit it. If the photograph by the media do is still to remind you, Ochensi said to her. It's me who doesn't think about it anymore. Right now, young Yuner said to her, apologize for this. Well, finally, it get loose. However, right now, she's want to coax her. She mentions that we are lovers, right? Oh, what is she going to do? Then, do you think this is enough for me to flee alone? Oh, Wang Yuner, she's getting tricky again. What she means by that? What's the meaning? Miss O Sensi said to her. Now, she looks really confused. Also, she got really curious. At the moment, love requires two people to talk about. Gently kiss her hand. Well, she is getting tricky right now, Wang Yuner. Suddenly, she got fuss. Miss Ochensi is looking at her. Probably she want to tell her something. Right, right now she got disturbed by the questions. Girlfriend, should you give something to? You're going to ask her something. Well, definitely, Ochensi said. What are your requests? What is the motive of Wang Yuner suddenly she want to request from her? And also, right now, let's eat at least once a meal a day. Oh, that was sweet right now. Really want to eat together. But definitely, there are gifts for holidays. Couple supply should be also arranged, not too much. So it turns out she want to live with her peacefully. Of course, oh Chancy right now. Probably because the request is too small and also it's easy for her to be granted. There's also a name. I call you Miss O. How many points are there? Oh Chancy said to her. But Wang Yuner right now, she want to call her Sisi. Oh, that was really sweet. On the other hand, Miss Ochensi said to her, that's it. Well, she's shy. Wang Yuner, she's really getting tricky. We didn't have dinner today, so let's make appointment for tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Why? We just agreed. On that, Wang Yuner said to her, Roddy knows my gender orientations. Right now, Wang Yuner, she was thinking, that's the scenes of the fire that year. I have to go and take a look. Now she really wants to go with her. Sisi, I'll go with you. Oh, right now, she was really acting tough. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.